Hello, everybody. We are going to be looking at solving our multi-step inequalities. And so this is stuff we've done before. We are just going to be adding that inequality piece to it. And so this is, again, not brand new, taking what we talked about yesterday with solving inequalities and adding it to our ability to solve a multi-step equation. So just as a reminder, we have that less than symbol, that less than or equal to symbol, the more than or greater than, and then the greater than or equal to. So those are just there kind of as a reminder. I'm going to jump right into solving our equations. And so just like if we were solving something with an equal sign and solving for x, we're going to follow the same basic steps. We're going to distribute. If we have parentheses, we are going to combine our like terms that are on the same side of the inequality symbol. We are going to undo addition and subtraction, and then undo multiplication and division. So our example here says negative 2 over 3f plus 3 is less than negative 9. So I want to get f by itself. So the first thing I'm going to do is we don't have any parentheses, so I'm not going to have to distribute anything. I don't have any like terms to combine. So I'm going to undo the addition here with that 3 and subtract 3 on both sides. So we're left with negative 2 over 3f is less than negative 9 minus 3 is negative 12. Now we want to get rid of that negative 2 over 3 in front of the f. And we can do this in two different ways. We can do it in two stages if you're not quite comfortable with multiplying by the reciprocal. And so what that would look like, we are going to first multiply by the 3 in the bottom. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. So that will undo the 3 in the bottom. And so we will have negative 2f is less than negative 36. Negative 12 times 3 is negative 36. And then I'm going to get rid of that 2 by dividing, and I'm going to divide by negative 2 to cancel out the 2 and the negative. And remember, when we do that, when we multiply or divide with a negative, we flip our sign. Flip your sign. So f becomes f is greater than, and negative 36 divided by negative 2 gives us 18. And so if we were to graph this, 18, 19, 17, f is greater than, but this is not greater than or equal to, so it's going to be an open dot, and we will fill it in to the right-hand side. All right, so looking at a couple of examples, we want to practice these multi-step skills. So I don't see any parentheses here, so I'm going to start with trying to undo addition and subtraction. I'm going to try to keep it so that my variable or my k for this question ends up on the left-hand side. So I'm going to add 2k to both sides. This gets rid of the 2k on the right-hand side. 4k plus 2k is 6k. Plus 15 is greater than 3. And then I can get rid of the 15 using subtraction. So 6k is greater than 3 minus 15 gives us negative 12. And then we divide by 6. And k is greater than negative 2. So if we were to graph this, we have negative 2, negative 1, negative 3. And that's going to be an open dot, but k is greater than, so we're going to go to the right. Now our example here on the right-hand side has parentheses. So now I do want to distribute. So I'm going to distribute that negative 6 into the parentheses with w and 1. And I'm going to distribute the 2 into the w and 5. So when we do that, we have negative 6 times w is negative 6w. Negative 6 times 1 gives us minus 6 is less than 2 times w plus 2 times 5 is 10. So here, again, we're going to undo addition and subtraction. try to get w on one side by itself, I'm going to add that 6 to both sides. And so we have negative 6w is less than 2w plus 16. And then I am going to move the 2w using subtraction. Negative 6w minus 2w gives us negative 8w is less than 16. And since I have that negative symbol, I'm definitely going to have to divide by a negative number. So I'm going to divide by negative 8. When we divide, we are going to switch the symbol. So we have switched our symbol, and 16 divided by negative 8 is negative 2. So when we go to graph it, negative 2, negative 1, 0, negative 3, negative 4. We have an open circle. There's no line underneath our greater than symbol. And we're greater than, so we're going to go to the right.